In the packing box, there is a box. In the box, there is an optical power meter and USB cable. This optical power meter, optical light source, reference patch cord under test, SC adapter. For OPM, open dust cover of OPM port. Place wavelength button to select the same wavelength as that of optical light source 1310 nanometer. Insert reference patch cord into optical light source and the optical power meter. Place DB button to set reference value. Take out SC connector from OPM and connect with SC adapter and the patch cord under test. The insertion loss of this connector is 0.21 dB. This is optical power meter, ONU, FTTH dropper cable. OLT at the central office is transmitting optical signal. Open OPM dust cover and OPM will be open automatically. Press wavelength button to select the wavelength 1490 nanometer because the downstream of OLT is 1490 nanometer. Insert FTTH dropper cable into OPM port. The receiving power is about minus 14 dBm. The sensitivity of our ONU is minus 27 dBm. The receiving power minus 14 dBm is much higher than the sensitivity of our ONU minus 27 dBm, so it's okay for our ONU working. Long press reference button to save the testing data. The file name is EE06. Long press reference button and the LED button to check the saved data. Nanometer disappears. Press wavelength button or welfare button to check each saved data. Long press reference button and the LED button to exit from the saved data. Nanometer appears. Long press wavelength button and the welfare button to enter the deletion mode. There are two options. Option 1, long press wavelength button and the welfare button to exit from the deletion mode. Option 2, press welfare button to delete all the data. Long press unit button to enter calibration mode. CAL appears on the display. Short press unit button to select the calibration wavelength. Select 1310 nanometer, same as that of optical light source 1310 nanometer. Press wavelength button to increase 0.05 dBm every time. Press welfare button to decrease 0.05 dBm every time. Short press unit button to select 1550 nanometer. For optical light source, select 1550 nanometer. Press wavelength button to increase 0.05 dBm every time. Long press unit button to save and exit from the calibration mode. Short press unit button to switch receiving power unit, dB, microwatt. Open dust cap of OPM port. OPM will be turned on automatically. Press wavelength button to change wavelength. Long press wavelength button for 2 seconds to turn on or turn off auto function. Long press wavelength button for 5 seconds to turn off OPM. Press any button to turn it on. Long press unit button and the dB button to restore factory setting. Open dust cover of wavefill port. Wavefill will be opened automatically. Insert patch cord. It is continuous wave. Short press wavefill button to change the mode. It is flashlight. Short press wavefill button again. It is continuous wave. Long press wavefill button to enter level mode. There are 3 modes. It is level 3 now. Short press wavefill button to change the mode. Level 3 is the brightest. Long press wavefill button to exit from the level mode. Short press LED button to turn on LED. Short press LED button to turn off LED. On the back of OPM, press inside. Slave module comes out. Take out the slave module. Open the dust cap of OPM. On the bottom of OPM, open the dust cap of Ethernet port. Connect the RJ45 Ethernet cable with Ethernet port of OPM and slave module. The light flashes from 1 to 8. It means the continuity of RJ45 Ethernet cable is good. This is router installed with RJ45 Ethernet cable. On the back of OPM, press inside. The slave module comes out. Take out the slave module. On the bottom of OPM, open the dust cover. Connect the cable with Ethernet port. Long press LED button to turn on Ethernet cable tracker function. The wireless icon appears on the display. Open the antenna of the slave module. Press wireless button and the red light turns on. On the right of the slave module, there is a wheel. It is used to change the sensitivity of receiving signal. Close the antenna. Put it inside OPM. Long press LED button to turn off the function. On the left side of OPM, it is laser rangefinder. It is used to detect the distance away from the object. Should press reference button to open the function. Should press again. It shows the number and the distance away from the notebook. The distance is 0.2 meters.